Actually, the last time I was here, this whole place was under construction. Seems to be done. They seem to be the same motif, the same design, but I hope someone's not just getting rich off of that, you know. That's the thing about Ireland, the rich just get richer, the poor get poorer. And I'm sure that's global as well. It's almost like it's a close-knit community of the rich over here, where they just get together behind closed doors, come up with a plan to rob the Irish people, and then they come up with an excuse and they go into government officials and they go, this is the way it's going to be. And that's where the NCT centre came from. Now don't get me wrong, it makes sense that cars should be tested, but it just feels like another tax that we have to do. Insurance levies, some of them are insane prices. You know, we're paying tax on the car, but yet we also pay tax on the fuel for the car. You know, we pay your PRSI, pay your PAYE tax, and now we pay a USC tax, which was supposed to be on your short-term tax. But that's been around for 14 years now, so I'm sure they got their money's worth. And then, you know, you have your good sales tax, import tax. Like if I buy something from England, I have to pay customs tax. If I buy something from Romania, because it's European, I don't have to pay customs tax, even though it's further away. Just because some high up declares, oh, this is a country that's in this little circle, you don't have to pay. But this other country, you have to pay. It's like, that doesn't make any sense to me. Because some high ups who's already getting paid more money just came up with this idea of, oh yeah, no, import tax. Surprised there isn't a walking tax. I'd be screwed. The amount of kilometers I've walked. I suppose it is shoes. Right. So, there's me babbling on about tax. Glad you could be here for that. Although, you know, for all the things that I do complain about, there are some good things I've noticed about Ireland, and I'm actually shocked about them, to be honest. Now, there was one controversy. Water. They wanted to put in water rates, but we've been getting free water for ever, basically. That's one good thing. The healthcare system, like, I think it's free. A lot of people. So yeah, the healthcare system. Now, granted, touch wood, the next time I see some, I haven't been sick, so I haven't actually had to go to the hospital much. But when I have, I've never really received a bill. So it's nice, but I think that's the PRSI. No, yeah, the PRSI that you pay kind of covers that. Now I think the difference between public and private is the speed. So you pay for private healthcare, you get sorted faster. Public healthcare. Now you still have to pay to see a doctor on that, but usually once you pay the doctor and he refers you to the hospital, There's no charge. Oh, so there is a museum there. It's the, sorry, out of breath, Turkey. So that museum there is natural animals, and then over there is the gallery, the art gallery. So both free and awesome.